श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्त्यै स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभान् ददासि दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता। Hello everyone, let us know about the 2022 yearly horoscope results. First of my apology for a little bit of 1 week late predictions. There will be a planetary changes from Ugadi festival, and due to which is the astrological benefits can be noticed by our beloved people staying outside India to those who are staying in abroad. We predict the astrological benefits according to English calendar, wherein 40 to 60% transit results can be noticed. Also, our beloved Telugu people can stay tuned to Astro Syndicate channel to know their astrological benefits. Let us know about the 2022 yearly horoscope results. Pisces results are as follows. You may have good vitality in every work. You will enjoy at your workplace with your teammates entire the year. You are advised to control your straightforwardness, which may affect your working place. You are advised to avoid arguments on worthless topics with your love, which might create breakup in your relationship. Lovers can take decisions in terms of their marriage. You might feel unhappy in first and fourth month in this year. You may find yourself difficult to perform your task and not be able to fulfill your desires. You may get detached from the given responsibility in the middle of the year. Work related pressure may go off. Your earnings may convert into profits. You are likely to invest for a long term period. Investing money in the share markets and speculations will bring you an amazing fortune. You might not access the money through lotteries and gambling during starting of the year. Students who are attempting competitive examinations like IELTS, GRE, CAT, law and other competitive examinations will be succeeded. Students can excel in their academics. You should avoid making arguments in personal life matters. Your domestic harmony is good. It is going to assist you to perform wise within the business or work. You may perform very well in your professional front. You may implement your business plans very easily with the help of your colleagues. Intellectual investments and financial investments may start giving profits, which may increase your confidence level in the whole year. You might use your wisdom to gain more benefits. Your spiritual power will make you feel more happy. Your way of thinking should be positive. You can plan to visit some religious places. You can also take interest in occult science. You are likely to be observed flawlessness in your nature. You are advised to keep your views with you only. Try to discuss it with those people who may understand your feelings. You may feel very nervous while you are attending an interview in terms of your job purpose the month of June and July. You may have lack of patience for seeking peace. You are advised to follow your intuition before going ahead in professional work. You are blessed by moon, which may help you to improve your inner strength. You are likely to get some new opportunities of your business and work which will pay you in terms of gains in the near future. Couples may hear good news in terms of childbirth. Messy things will be under your control. Your performance may be praised by your seniors and you may expect high promotions. The money which was stuck is likely to be recovered. There may be some good news in terms of legal matters in the month of August and November. In the partnership, many issues are likely to be resolved. You can definitely invest money through purchase second-hand vehicles. Purchasing two-wheeler or four-wheeler vehicle in the starting and middle of the year will bring you more happiness and wealth. Tremendous crop growth to the farmers. Those who sell tamarind, millets, jaggery, chilies, legumes, cotton and turmeric will be in loss. The great intimacy between siblings. Issues related to property, land, money, etc. will be immunized. Great profit to the LIC, medical and housing agents. Complete loss to the event management, labor workers, scrapers, merchants and pot makers. Amazing development to the doctors, cops and lawyers. High advantages in property assets from siblings or adults. Debates from the court will be expelled. Judgment from the court may come against the person if he or she is catch as bribes. You are advised to not drink and drive the vehicle. High accidents may occur the end of the year. Harassments are posed by others to those who are in political arena in the middle of the year. Directors, producers, music composers, short film makers will be in a great development whole the year. Worth reputation to the singers, television artists, child artists, choreographers and athletes. Incredible profit to the cement, pharma, construction and real estate workers. Lucrative great profit to the furniture, glass, resin and leather industries. The great luck to those who work in the dairy and poultry industries. The animal husbandry may be susceptible to disease during middle of the year. Old chronic health issues may arise. Take high provisions towards your health. Your patience becomes very great. Your focus towards your work will be very great. Automobile and driver sectors will have the best compatibility. You may help needy people around you. You may speed up your postponed works. It is best to pay off debts. You can travel to abroad for job or studies purpose. You might get your permanent residency, green card and H1B visa on time. If you start some new projects, you will have a great benefits in it in the whole of the year. Favorable results to the Vedic scholars and priests. Defilement to the resin, handloom, textile and tailoring traders. Those of the caste profession will have respect and happiness. Do not plan to renovate your house or office. Fishermen are advised not to go into the sea for fishing. They may have a complete loss. You could also plan for children's future investments. It is better to recite Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Parayanam, Bhagavad Gita 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7 verses, Navagraha Stotram and donate some books to the children and perform Kujagraha Japam, Ketugraha Japam with the Brahmins to get positive results. The results are average throughout the year for this zodiac. I want everyone to lead a happy life, prosperity, good health and wealth in this month and every month too. Enjoy every moment happily. Have a fantastic year. I hope you will have a great year ahead. If you liked and enjoyed listening to the 2022 yearly horoscope results, please share it with your near and dear ones. Respected viewers, I owe you an apology for the grammatical errors I have done. I take full responsibility for my actions. I will try to recollect my mistakes and at least do a bit of better in my upcoming videos. And also please subscribe to our channel, that is Kiran's Astro 9, and share as much as possible with your near and dear ones. If there are any grammatical mistakes in my videos, please share those points and let me know. You can watch our channel videos on your website, that is www.astrosyndicates.com, and there are other things about our channels too. Please do support and encourage me. Thank you. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you can join our Telegram channel. Links will be given in the description below. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim maheshaah gobrahmanebhya shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.